please avoid, because it is very difficult to analyze these companies. Now these are okay type of companies. So the best way to make money to buy at the bottom of the cycle and sell at the peak of the cycle. But the thing is, I avoid these companies as well, the best kind of companies. So always invest your money here. Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In my last episode we tried to understand the 5 sources of growth, and in today's episode let's try to understand the 3 types of companies growth. First is erratic growth companies. So basically these erratic growth companies are pretty tough. It's very difficult to analyze these erratic growth companies because in some years these companies will make profits and in other years they make losses. So basically the profits are all over the place. There is so much of erratic behavior in its profitability, that is in its sales and profit. So it is very difficult to analyze erratic growth companies. So these are basically bad companies or low quality companies. So my suggestion is, please avoid these erratic growth companies because it is very difficult to analyze these companies. The second type of growth is cyclical growth companies. Now these are okay type of companies. See, majority of these cyclical companies will make profits, but the thing is they are pretty cyclical. Most of them make profits, but it is very difficult to analyze whether the next year's profits will be higher or lower than current year's profits. So the best way to make money in these cyclical companies is basically to buy at the bottom of the cycle and sell at the peak of the cycle. But the thing is, to do this you should have industry specific knowledge. You need industry specific circle of competence. So generally I avoid these companies as well. So generally I avoid erratic growth companies and cyclical growth companies. The third type of growth is stable growth companies. So these are consistent growth companies that are generating profits or profit growth every year consistently. These are the best kind of companies. So always invest your money here. So while investing your hard-earned money in the stock market, make sure that you invest in stable growth companies, companies that are generating profits consistently and growing profits consistently. So we call them stable growth companies. But the thing is, stable growth is only 50% of our growth analysis. Now what about the remaining 50%? That I will cover in my next episode. So basically in next episode you will learn the 5 kinds of growth. Now in this video we covered 3 types of growth. In next video let's try to understand the 5 kinds of growth, and trust me, it is going to be a very interesting video. And by the way, this is the last video of our growth analysis. Okay, so that's it for today guys. In case if you are new here, then please consider to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications as and when I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys for your support. This is Vishnu Deekonda signing off.